In this video, we'll show you how to expand a close-up photo like the one in the example and complete the missing face of a model. In the Magic Expand area, you can resize the photo as you like. But here's the important part, don't make it too small. You need to leave enough space for the model's face to be generated. So, position the photo accordingly, this way, you're showing the AI where the model's face should appear. You can leave the Enter Prompt field blank. If you do, the AI will complete the image based on its own interpretation. Or, you can guide it by describing the model's physical features in detail. One important thing to remember, since this is a close-up and the model appears in a profile pose, don't forget to include phrases like a close-up shot and a profile pose. Now, we click on Regenerate Photo and wait for the result. As you can see, the output is not the final version, this is just a draft. This draft allows us to make further adjustments more easily in the next steps. If we're generally happy with the draft, we can move on with the editing. In this draft, there's an issue with the clarity of the eyes. To fix it, we brush over the eyes and rewrite our prompt to guide the AI in generating them correctly. We've now fixed the eye issue. Next, we're correcting the difference between the original skin tone and the AI-generated one. To fix this, we brush over the area where the skin tone needs adjustment. This tells the AI exactly where the change should happen. Then, we copy the prompt we used to create this model from the History section and paste it into the Enter Prompt field. As you can see, the skin tones now match perfectly. Now we move on to changing the hair. To do this, we fully brush the area where the hair is. But here's something to be careful about, don't brush too close to the product. If you get too close, like near the earring, the AI might interpret that area too and distort the jewelry. That's why, as shown in the example, it's important to leave some space between the hair and the product. Now that we've changed the hair, let's move on to the outfit. Since this is a close-up photo, most of the clothing won't be visible. So, we brushed the area starting from the neck and wrote in the prompt what we wanted the model to wear. With this result, we've reached the final step. You can either download this photo or use the same steps we showed to create different versions.